Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday. Tuesday, December the 28th, 2021. We have 3 days to go. And then it will be 2021. No, 2. Correction. Yes, 2022. Let this be a good year. 2022, yes. All right. 5 puzzles. I will do half of this additional. Yeah. I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars, Sudoku. Now it's time for the binary puzzle. Number 3, 8, and 9, 6. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then. Let me see. Well, difficult now. Well, I cannot place. Here we have 3 O's in this row, the second row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row. In this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Same for the last row. Here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then these 3 boxes should be no. So we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Then. Yeah. Thinking. Ay. 1, 2, 3. Do I need to compare? Yeah. Well, let me compare the first column and this column. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these. So these 2, this one and that one. These 2 digits, we have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. 2 columns are left. Let me see. Can I compare the rows? No, we have double 1 here. No double 1s. Double O, no double O's here. So we need to compare the columns. Do we have a double O here? Oh, this. Well, 0101. 01. No. Uh, uh, uh. Ah. This column and the second column. Sorry. 0011 empty box. So 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 5 minutes completed. Yes, and I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.